The morning a wildfire jumps a ridge or a storm turns toward the coast is the worst possible time to figure out where the passports are and what you'd grab in 10 minutes. The Emergency and Evacuation Readiness Binder does that thinking on an ordinary afternoon instead and keeps the answers in one file your household owns. Inside is a 10-tab workbook plus 4 guides, your evacuation plan, the documents to grab, a home inventory for insurance claims, your policies and contacts, medical needs, the go bag, and the utility shutoffs. It comes pre-built with the exact fields and a worked example, so there's no blank page to design under stress. Start with the one page that does the most good, where you'll meet the out-of-area contact everyone calls, the routes you'd take, and who grabs what if you leave fast. It's the at-a-glance a family member or a first responder would want first. Print it and keep a copy in every go bag. Walk room to room and list what you own with a replacement value, and the workbook adds up your total and your high-value categories for you. So an insurance claim after a fire or flood is a document you already have, not a memory test months later. That alone can be worth the price. The Go Bag tab shows what's packed and what's still missing. Across the bags, the car kit, and your home supplies. Water, first aid, documents, light, and warmth. Each marked packed or need to buy. So the kit is ready before the warning, not scrambled together during one. It works in Excel, in Google Sheets, and in LibreOffice. Prefer Sheets? Open the included link, click Make a Copy, and the whole binder lands in your drive. Every dropdown and calculated total already set up. And because you can print it, it works even when the power is out. It's built on one rule. Keep a copy you can reach when the power and signal are out, and keep credentials out of it. It records facts and where things live, never your passwords or full account numbers. Unlike a subscription app, this file is yours. It won't lapse, and it works offline. Get the Emergency and Evacuation Readiness Binder at ardentworkshop.com or on Etsy. It's an instant download you own forever. And if you'd like to try it first, the free emergency grab list is a one-page printable to get you started. Get ready before you need it.